Hey! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this smartphone. First of all, you need to click on the square button and tap at the top left corner of floating windows. Then select one of those apps like Chrome, and as you can see, now I can use it in this little window over here. If you wish to move it somewhere else, you need to hold this blue line and drag it. If you wish to make it full screen, you need to hold the lower one and drag it to the bottom. But you can also close your app by simply going into background apps and closing it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!